Alright guys, we're on our bike ride. We made it to this very historic location. It's a haunted pool house. It's where this old guy used to live. He used to take kids and teenagers. He used to take them in his pool. And when they got so tired from swimming, he would take them into the house and make beef stew out of them. It's pretty scary stuff. We're gonna explore though. It's pretty creepy. So tag along with us. Alright, let's go down this way. See, it's all overgrown. This is where the pool. This guy even had a pool for little ones, it looks like. That's crazy. Hasn't been used probably for like 50 years. Maybe not that long, but something like that. Alright, this is where the equipment was. Oh my gosh. I hear people over on this playground that he had. Let's see if we can see him. Those aren't real kids. Those are the souls of the children. You see them? Are you afraid? This is so crazy. Alright, let's go around. How creepy is this? Can't believe it. That's the playground where the souls of the children still play. Alright guys, hopefully we make it out of here. I'm hearing things following us and chasing us. Come on, Bray, quick, they're coming. Here they come. The souls of the children. Oh no, he's stuck. I'm gonna have to leave him. Hurry, push it, push it, push it. We can't let him catch us. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh. Here they come. Don't let him get you, buddy. This is where he kept the bodies. Oh no. Here's the playground and the children. Oh my gosh. They're gonna get us. Come on, Pray. Hurry. Caleb, you okay? Huh? You okay, Caleb? Okay. Alright, we made it. Alright. So, let me know if you've seen any ghosts chasing us. I couldn't really see, I was so scared. Plus, that's just the old city pool. Nothing haunted about it. But that was fun. We use our imagination, huh, Bray? Alright, do an ninja move. Say bye. Yeah. Yeah. One more. One more. Oh yeah.